Yo, what's up guys? In today's video, we're gonna be going over my new car that I just bought. But before we get into it, make sure to like and subscribe. Alright, so my new car is the 2000 TVR Cerbera Speed 12. This is a track monster. It's a literal track. But yeah. But yeah, it's pretty cool. My bad. See, this thing looks insane. Let's actually go over it. The thing looks insane. TVR, steering wheel. Let's check the other seat. Yeah, this is insane. Front hood. V12 engine. Yeah, this is insane. Insane. The back looks insane. Oh, my bad. Let's go. This thing looks insane. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I'm telling you, this is insane. Oh, my bad. Drifting abilities. Not very much. Looks pretty cool though. Alright guys, this will be the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Alright, bye.